Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs with popular features and a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2014 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.